Hey there, out here in my main flower bed, I guess you would call it. This is the place where I have a lot of perennials, but I also plant some annuals, and these vinca are my favorite because they will fill in the whole front of this flower bed with color and just bloom all summer till October when it freezes. And back here is where I'm going to plant my zinnia seedlings. So let's get them settled in their new home. Okay, I planted probably 10 or 12 zinnia seeds, but just these, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 7 came up. So these are now 2 to 3 inches tall, and I'm going to use, my favorite miniature gardening tool, an old spoon, and I'm going to dig one up, trying not to disturb the roots any more than I have to. Okay, here's the first one. It's kind of funny looking. I don't know what's wrong with it, but I think it'll be okay once it gets going. So I used the spoon and dug up what I could. I think I should get the dirt wet, and that would help it hold together better. I'll do that for the rest of them. So now I'm gonna settle it in its own little home. And here it is. And I'm just gonna give it a little drink. We're supposed to get rain the next few days, so that's why I wanted to get these in the ground, because rain is just the best tonic for new plants. All right, I'm gonna move over about 8 or 10 inches to do the next one. These zinnias will get big. They will be 3 feet tall probably and bush out, so you can't put them too close together. All right, let's see how I do one-handed. Digging up this little friend. Okay, there it is. I'm gonna give it 2 hands now. Quite a bit of seed starter mix came out with that, and that's good because that just keeps it stable, keeps its little roots together and disturbs them less. And let's give it a little drink. I tell you what I'm concerned about are the bunnies. I really need to protect these, like with a can that has the top and the bottom removed, to put around these until they get to be, much taller. So if the bunnies come and eat these, I'm just gonna direct sow some more into the ground. Once the ground is warm, you can direct sow zinnias right into the ground. Just follow the package directions. Okay, and here are the first 4 little zinnia seedlings in the ground. Now I'll keep a little vigilant watch on this flower bed in the mornings and evenings when the bunnies are out. Grow little flowers, you're gonna make my garden beautiful.